sound, break it down, thinking of making a new sound, playing a different show every night in front of a new crowd. That's you now. Child seems love is great now. See me lose focus, I sing to you loud. And I can't, no, I won't hush. I say the words that make you blush. I'm gonna sing this now. See, true, my songs are where my heart is. I'm like blue and stick to other artists. I'm not you, now that'll be disastrous. Let me sing, I do my thing, I move to greener pastures. See, I'm real, I do it all, it's all me. I'm not fake, don't ever call me lazy. I won't stay put, give me the chance to be free. Self-exciting seems to sort of suffocate. Hey! Cause you need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. It's all you need me, man, I don't need you. 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 It's all you need me, man. I sing over my own tune and I write my own verse. I don't need another wordsmith to make my tune sell. Call yourself a singer writer, just fluffing. Happy credits and you didn't want nothing. I sing fast, I know that all my shit's cool. I will blast and I didn't go to brick school. I came fast with the way I act right. I can't last if I'm smoking on a crack pipe. And I won't be a product of my show. No mind to always be stronger than my songs are. Never be the fool that fake guys beat ya. Always be the stories that you hear on Wikipedia. And musically I'm demonstrating. When I perform now feels like I am meditating. Times at the Enterprise when some fella filmed me. Come sing or write like a Gabriella show me. Cause you need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. It's all you need me, man, I don't need you. 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 It's all you need me. Just sing the lyrics, I'll be aiming it right. I won't stop till my name's in lights and stadium heights with Damien Rice and red carpets. Now I'm an Arabian night because I know my brother's gonna give me advice. Go nice and short height and I've gone hyper. Never be anything but a singer-songwriter. Game's over, but now I'm on a new level. Watch how I step on a track without a loop pedal. People think that I'm bound to blow up. Done around about 1,000 shows, but I haven't got a house, plus I live on a couch. So you believe the lyrics when I'm singing them out. Well, from day one I've been prepared with your 5 wax from my ginger hair. So now I'm back to the sofa, giving a dose of what the future holds. Cause it's another day, plus I keep on last. Never ever keep the genre pretty basic. And I'm breaking into other people's tunes when I chase it. Replace it with the elephant in the room with a facelift. Into another rapper's shoes, using new laces. I'm selling CDs from my rucksack. Aim of the paper, selling CDs from my rucksack. Aiming for the majors nationwide to adjust. Check it to get the bus back. Cut kid without a razor for the mustache I hit back. When the pen hurts me, I'm still a choir boy in a Fen church tea. I'm still the same as a year ago, but when people hear me though, according to the MySpace and YouTube videos, I'm always doing shows. If I'm not, I'm in the studio. Truly broke, never growing up. Call me Rufio, melody music maker. Reading all the papers, they say I'm up and coming like a in an elevator. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. But so you need me, man, I don't need you. 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 But so you need me, man, I don't need you.